everybody, it's Ace Coding and welcome back to another Python video. Today I'm going to be teaching you all about errors. Errors in code are called bugs and they're normal. To avoid these errors, you should keep on looking, experimenting and testing, and your code will be bug-free. Python is easier than some other programming languages, but there's still a lot of common errors. One of them is typos. So if I was typing really fast and I put print hello, but I don't put my brackets, it's gonna have this writing. Python defines your error and it tells you what you have to do. Syntax error is one of the most common errors. But if I do print brackets, speech marks, hello, speech marks, brackets, none of the syntax error pops up and it prints hello. This is because everything we've written is correct. There's no mistakes. So now if I just type anything like this, look what it says. It says traceback, name error. It says that it's not defined. That's another type of error. Thank you for watching this video. Always remember to look at your work before you press enter and make sure that you read it twice. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.